Take a glass of drinking water and a straw. How can you get the water out of your glass? You can only blow through the straw, not suck. Having trouble? I know a solution. Cut the straw in half and tape the ends at an angle with each other. Make sure the horizontal straw sits behind the vertical straw. Blow again. Yes, look, you get a spray of water. If you blow through the straw, the air flows quickly over the other straw. The flowing air takes the air out of the vertical straw with it. As a result, the water is sucked up and spreads in a fine spray. It just takes a while to empty the glass. The same thing happens in a paint spray factory. Air is blown along paint at high pressure. This creates a mist of fine drops. You get a nice even coat of paint.